says rolled oats. The website says rolled or still cut oats. So what I thought I would do today is see if one looks better than the other, see if the blender can handle both, the rolled oats and the steel cut oats. So I'm going to make 2 batches of oat milk. Alright, remove lid from pitcher, add oats, oil, and water.
Oats?
Yes, oats.
Making oat milk?
No, lift, ring, and pull. A round edge.
What the heck are you making?
Oat milk.
You know, just because you can make anything into milk doesn't mean you should.
Okay, 1 cup of rolled oats. And this is 48 ounces of water. Because this will all come out. I mean, that's got like no salt, no nothing in it. Alright, put lid on. So gross. I'm feeling this won't need as much straining as, oh, okay, maybe I was wrong. Wow. I was thinking it wouldn't need as much straining as almond milk, but apparently I was mistaken in that fact. Okay, this may have been a messy mistake. I'm about to make a mess of epic proportions here. This is way messier than almond milk because I made a mistake and put the whole thing in. Alright, let me do something off camera. It's like slimy. It's so gross.
Haven't you ever eaten oatmeal?
Yes.
Any questions?
I don't don't even know if I can do a second batch of this. This is like getting on my sensory. Ooh. Like the almond milk didn't make my sensory grossness. It doesn't.
Those slimy, sticky, wet things you don't like.
Oh my gosh, this is so gross.
I'm just gonna step away now.
Look, it's like moist.
Really, you had to use the word moist.
It's.
Are you trying to make everybody tune away?
It's. I don't know, slimy. Because that's not suitable for work. This is so gross. I'm glad I washed my hands. I'm gonna need to wash it again. Oh no, that's so gross. Do you see the white gluey substance?
Oh yes, I can see the white gooey substances all over your hands.
I don't know if I can upload this to YouTube. I mean, it looks glue-like. I don't know if you guys can see how gross and slimy and oozy and disgusting this is. I can assure you this is the very first time I've made oat milk, and my sensory, this is just gross. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna wash this out. That's so gross. Wow. This is what oat paste looks like. I don't know what you can do with that, if anything. I'm just gonna throw it in the trash. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so gross. Because as if one time wasn't good enough, now I'm gonna make it again. A second time with steel cut oats. Oh no, I don't want that to happen. Okay, that doesn't feel as gross. The steel oats does not feel as gross. It still feels a little gross. It does not feel as, I mean, it's still a little gluey, but it does not feel as gluey. Okay, now it's starting to feel sticky. Back to disgusting again. I mean, look at that. All right, it's so gross. So there's the big doo-doo clump from the steel oats, and there's the big doo-doo clump from the rolled oats, and so disgusting. So gross. Don't even, there's nothing else to say about it. Wow. I don't even know if I can do anything with that or not. All right. I'm not going to taste test these. I'm actually, well, I am, but we're going to use them in a recipe for a smoothie. And you'll see that in a couple of weeks. Couple, 3 weeks, I don't know. It's going to be, you're going to see this in November. Stick around for the still cut scenes. See what I did there? Oh my gosh, this is so gross.
What?
This is so gross. Oat milk. So gross.
Ain't got the right tools, ain't doing it the right way. This is messing with my OCD, you know that.
I know.
You just wanted me to see the floor and say, ooh, this stuff is nice.
I mean, all right, let's see here. That one does look better.
If I remember right, you bought this one because you said you didn't like the way that one looked.
This one is really nasty looking.
You just don't like my Better Value brand. Where do we buy Better Value vegetable oil?
Walmart?
Did this come at the house?
I bet it did.
I mean, I don't see me ever buying Better Value vegetable oil.
1 teaspoon.
Oh my God, this thing is nasty.
Where's a teaspoon? There's a teaspoon. I told you it's disgusting. Oh my gosh, it's gross. Come back on Wednesday to see our cauliflower pizza review.